Hello, everyone. Oh, shit. No. Hello, world. Okay, I don't know if you were expecting Jeremy or not, but hi. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Gabby. I'm your favorite organization's founder, and today we'll be making a really, really ugly website. Well, we'll make it prettier later, but for now, I'll be explaining a few conceptual, basic, fundamental web development ideas. Websites are usually coded in HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's called this because instead of throwing a bunch of text into a file, HTML allows a coder to mark up the parts of a website so that the computer knows how to show content to a website user. For example, the user will point out what's text and what's a link and what's an image, so that the computer knows how to show it to a person using a website. It's kind of like writing out a shopping list and highlighting each item to classify what kind of item it is. So instead of a computer showing this on a website, the content of a website looks like this. We're going to start by setting up our workspace. I'll be using Atom to work on my HTML projects, which can be downloaded in the description below. You can obviously use whatever you're comfortable with, but if you don't know where to start and don't like the sound of Atom, some other cool options include Sublime Text and VS Code. I'm going to start by creating a folder with the name of my project on my desktop. And I'll drag that into Atom to get started. Inside Atom, I'll be making 3 files. Index.html, styles.css, and script.js. Don't worry, we'll only be working on the HTML file for now. Type in HTML and press enter to get a basis of your website set up. To decide how content will look on a site, we put text information that we want users to see and tags. Tags look like this, and there are different kinds of tags depending on what type of website content you need. Some examples include paragraph tags, header tags, link tags, and image tags. We'll go under the body tag and add a paragraph. If you want to put words into a paragraph, you'd put them in between an opening paragraph tag and a closing one, like this. We have a really basic website, so let's go check it out. Find your HTML file and open it in a browser to see what it looks like. This is how your website would look if it were published on the web. Nice! But I want to add more stuff to my website. I'm going to add 2 headers just to fill up the white space. There are 6 different types of headers: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. And what makes them different is how big they look when you view them on a web page. Don't forget to match your opening tag with its closing tag. The opening tag and the closing tag look exactly the same, except the closing tag has a slash in front of the tag type. Save my file and open it in Chrome. Also nice. Nice. Okay, I'm going to delete what we have so far and make a website for myself. After all, I don't want my website to just have Hello World plastered all over it. I'll add a header that says Gabby's website. And a paragraph that says, "Welcome to Gabby's website." I think I'll also add a link to a cool video. But how do you add a link? Links in HTML look like this. We have our opening link tag, href, and a closing link tag. href is a reference to whatever you want the link to be. You put your link of choice in the quotation marks after href. In my case, I want my link to go to a video that I really like, so I'll copy and paste the link I want to use in between the quotation marks of href, and put whatever text I want to be connected to the link in between the link tags. I think I'll go with this. If you run it, and you click on it, it takes me to the video I added. This This is a really good video, by the way. You should totally check it out. Link in the description. Now I want to add a list of things I like. There are two types of lists that you can make in HTML. Ordered lists and unordered lists. Ordered lists are numbered, while unordered lists are bulleted. I'll be making an unordered list of things I like. To start, I'll add an opening unordered list tag, or UL, and a couple of list items under it. You can put elements inside elements, like list items inside of a list. Don't forget to close your list at the end with a closing unordered list tag. Gosh, I must be really hungry. I put so much food. If I wanted to have a number list, I'd make an ordered list. I want to make a list of my top favorite Pixar movies. I'll start by opening with an ordered list tag, or OL, and add list tags under it with my favorite movies. For list item 1, I'll add Toy Story. For 2, I'll add Finding Nemo. And for number 3, I'll add Inside Out. This is what my list looks like. It goes in order, so whatever list item you put first will be number 1 on your webpage. Okay, lastly, I want to add a few images of me and people I really like. I'm going to pick some photos I like and drag them into my project folder. Images are one of the few tags in HTML that don't need a closing tag, so you just leave it as image without a second tag after it. Images have an src property, or source, which links back to an image in your project or on the web. To make an image appear, I need to add a link to its source in the quotation marks of src. I'll be copying the project path of the image and pasting it in between the quotation marks that go after src. And I will run my web page in the browser. Yikes, that's really big. To adjust the width or height of an image to make it smaller or bigger, I'm going to add the width property inside my image tag and make both images about 300 pixels wide. That's a lot better. I think I'm going to add a few more photos and call it a day. Okay, this isn't the most appealing website, and it could use a lot of beautification, but I'll be saving that for the next video. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.